To create a piece of content 5 years ago and have it be generating revenue and building your brand 5 years later is outrageous.
vidIQ.
vidIQ.
vidIQ.com.
Hello everyone, welcome back to VidCon 2018, and I'm honored to be joined by
Sean and
Benji. And combined, how many subscribers do you have on YouTube right now?
well, that's kind of hard to add up.
I'd say, like, just off the top of my head, probably like 4 to 4.5 million.
Wow, congratulations to both of you. You are both considered YouTube gurus, YouTube experts. One question I love to ask successful YouTubers is, when was that light bulb moment for you? Like, oh, I suddenly get YouTube. Did it happen with a single video or over time? What was it for you, Sean?
Yeah, for me, it was a video called Gift Ideas for Him. So I was learning about how to rank videos, and I was learning about affiliate marketing. So this idea that you could sign up for something like the Amazon Associates program, and whatever products you talk about, you could put links in the description. If someone clicks on the link and purchases something, you make money. So it's kind of cool. So I had this idea, and I was like, what if it's around the holidays? It's a trending time of year. Let me see if this will work. So I made a video called Gift Ideas for Him. I think to this day, it still ranks in search, maybe number 4. Check it. I don't know. If it doesn't, I apologize. But I think like it's still performing. And every year it spikes right around the holidays. Yeah. And every year it generates income through that affiliate marketing. And I was stunned because I was like, wow, not only is it getting a lot of views, that video is approaching 1 million views now. Every year, it's 5-6 years old. The light bulb moment was like, whoa. YouTube is the it's the platform online with the highest leverage out of any of the social media platforms, because to create a piece of content 5 years ago and have it be generating revenue and building your brand 5 years later is outrageous. The power of search, the power of ranking. And that was also how I originally scaled my income. So then I was like, well, if I could do that and I'm making $5 a month, $15 a month, I was like, if I just do this more and I get better at this, then that could scale. And that's how I was able to go full time.
I figured out I guess the benefit or the magic of YouTube super early on. I'd say at about 2010, 2011. The way I did was Craigslist, okay? I used to do real estate, and I would try to create Craigslist ads that people would click on, right? And I did it by using certain keywords, certain phrases. Well, when I went to YouTube, I was just using it just like to view videos. My wife and I were putting up videos, but I didn't realize the significance because I was like conquering Craigslist. I had tons of people not just click on my ads, but like calling in. And when I realized YouTube is the exact same way. People are sitting down at a computer, nowadays a phone, right? And they're searching for things. And if you realize the significance of 2 billion people doing that, you're like, oh my gosh, literally anything people search for could be turned into a video. And when I figured that out, I was like, game over. Because literally any kind of passion, any kind of hobby, business, there is a search term out there that's going to lead them to hopefully your video, but you have to understand how powerful the search bar is.